You've been driving your Hyundai all wrong. 99% of Hyundai owners have no idea about the hidden features lurking inside their vehicles right now. Features that could save you money, keep you safer, and make your driving experience infinitely better. Functions so buried in your car's system that even dealership employees don't know they exist. Today, I'm revealing these automotive secrets. By the end of this video, you'll access features most drivers will never discover. What I'm about to show you might change everything you thought you knew about your Hyundai. Secret number 1. The hidden valet mode that protects your privacy. Let me ask you something. Have you ever handed your keys to a valet, a mechanic, or borrowed your car to a friend and felt that nagging worry about what they might see or access? Your personal information? Your saved locations? Maybe even your garage door opener? Hyundai engineers thought about that, and they built in a protection system that almost nobody knows exists. It's called Valet mode, but it's not what you think. This isn't just about limiting speed. This is a complete privacy lockdown that transforms your car into a secure vault while someone else is behind the wheel. When activated, Valet mode restricts access to your infotainment system. That means no one can scroll through your contact list, view your recent destinations, or see any of your saved addresses. It also locks the glove compartment and trunk from interior access. But here's the genius part. It limits your car's performance without being obvious about it. The acceleration becomes more gradual, the top speed gets capped, and the audio system volume maxes out at a reasonable level. Your car essentially becomes a well-behaved citizen, and whoever's driving it won't even realize they're being restricted. Now, how do you activate this? The process varies slightly depending on your model year, but for most modern Hyundais, you'll go into your vehicle settings through the infotainment screen. Navigate to the System or Vehicle Settings menu, scroll until you find Valet mode or Driver Settings, and toggle it on. Some models require you to set a 4-digit PIN code first. Choose something memorable, but not obvious. Once activated, your car stays in this protective mode until you enter that PIN to deactivate it. This feature alone could prevent identity theft, protect your personal data, and give you complete peace of mind. Yet 99% of owners have no idea it exists. You're now in the 1%. Secret number 2. The emergency trunk release that could save a life. This one's serious, and it could literally be the difference between life and death. Every Hyundai manufactured in recent years has an emergency trunk release mechanism, but it's designed to be invisible until you desperately need it. This isn't just about accidentally locking yourself in. This is about kidnapping situations, accidents where passengers get trapped, or any scenario where someone ends up in that trunk space against their will or by accident. The federal government actually mandates this feature, but manufacturers aren't required to advertise it prominently. Inside your trunk, usually near the trunk latch mechanism or near the back of the rear seats, you'll find a glow-in-the-dark handle or pull tab. In darkness or panic, this glowing element becomes visible. When you pull this release, it mechanically disconnects the trunk latch, allowing the trunk to pop open from the inside, even if the car is locked, even if the battery is dead, even if the electrical system has completely failed. But here's what makes Hyundai's implementation particularly clever. Many models also integrate this with the rear seat fold-down release. If you're trapped in the trunk, you can often access the rear seat release mechanism, fold down the seats from inside the trunk, and escape through the cabin. It's a double-layer safety system that gives you multiple exit options. Take 5 minutes right now, open your trunk, locate that emergency release, and show it to every family member who might ride in your vehicle. Show your kids. Show your spouse. In an emergency, panic erases knowledge. The only thing that saves you is muscle memory and prior awareness. This simple act of familiarization could save a life. Secret number 3. The remote start duration extension. Most Hyundai owners with remote start know the basic function. Press the lock button, then hold the remote start button, and your car starts from a distance. Climate control activates, the interior temperature adjusts, and life is good. But here's what they don't tell you. That remote start session doesn't have to end after 10 or 15 minutes. You can extend it without walking to your car and without losing your perfectly adjusted cabin temperature. This is absolutely crucial during extreme weather. Imagine it's negative 20 degrees outside, or it's 110 in the summer sun. You remote start your car, but you're not quite ready to leave yet. Traditionally, you'd have to let the car shut off, then remote start it again, wasting fuel and time. Not anymore. Here's the secret extension method. Before your initial remote start session expires, usually around 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your model, grab your key fob. Press and hold the remote start button again for about 2 seconds. Your car will acknowledge the command. usually with a horn beep or lights flashing, and the session extends for another full cycle. You can do this multiple times if needed. Some newer models with the BlueLink connected service have an even better option. Using the smartphone app, you can remote start your vehicle and keep it running for extended periods, checking the duration and extending it right from your phone. No need to be within key fob range. You could be inside a massive building, nowhere near a window, and still control your vehicle's climate system perfectly. This feature transforms remote start from a nice convenience into an absolute weather-beating necessity. Your car is always at the perfect temperature, exactly when you need it, with zero compromise. Secret number 4. The hidden maintenance menu that dealers don't want you finding now. We're getting into the really secret stuff. Buried deep in your Hyundai's infotainment system is a diagnostic and maintenance menu that provides information usually reserved for technicians. This menu shows you real-time data about your vehicle's systems, helps you perform certain calibrations, and gives you access to information that dealerships typically charge you to access. Accessing this menu requires a specific sequence that varies by model. But here's the general approach for most modern Hyundais with touchscreen infotainment. Start with your vehicle turned on, but not necessarily running. On your infotainment screen, navigate to the Settings menu. You need to tap the version or system information area in a particular pattern. For many models, it's tapping the version number display 5 times in quick succession. Other models require you to hold specific areas of the screen for several seconds. Once you're in, you'll see options that most owners never encounter. Things like battery voltage monitoring, individual tire pressure readings updated in real time, transmission temperature, engine oil life percentage displayed with precision, brake pad wear indicators, and even software version information for various control modules. Why don't dealers advertise this? Because they'd rather you come in for diagnostic checks that they can charge for. But you own this vehicle. You have every right to access this information. Use it to stay ahead of maintenance needs, diagnose minor issues before they become expensive problems, and understand your vehicle on a deeper level. Just a word of caution. In these hidden menus, there are sometimes options to change settings that affect vehicle operation. Don't change anything unless you understand exactly what it does. Observing information is always safe. Modifying settings without knowledge can cause issues. Secret number 5. The automatic window convenience feature. This one seems simple, but it's shockingly unknown, and it adds a massive convenience factor to your daily driving. You know how when you hold down the lock or unlock button on your key fob, absolutely nothing extra happens? Wrong. You've been missing out on a feature that's been there all along. Here's the magic. Walk up to your Hyundai with your key fob in hand. Press and hold the unlock button for about 3 to 5 seconds. Don't just tap it, hold it. Watch what happens. All 4 windows will start rolling down simultaneously. Keep holding and they'll go all the way down. Release the button and they stop exactly where they are. This is ventilation heaven. Picture this scenario. It's summer, your car has been baking in the sun all day, and the interior is absolutely scorching. Instead of opening the door and getting blasted with that heat wave, you simply hold the unlock button from 10 feet away. All the windows drop, hot air escapes, and by the time you get in, the interior is already dramatically cooler. You've just saved yourself minutes of suffering and reduced the load on your air conditioning system. But it works in reverse too. Press and hold the lock button for several seconds, and all the windows will roll up together. This is perfect for those moments when you're walking away from your car and suddenly remember you left a window down. No need to unlock the car, get back in, start it up, and close the window manually. Just hold the lock button, and the car seals itself up tight. The same trick often works with your sunroof if you have one. Hold unlock, and the sunroof vents or opens. Hold lock, and it closes. This feature exists on most Hyundai models from the last decade, but almost nobody knows about it because it's never mentioned in the Quick Start Guide, and salespeople rarely demonstrate it. You now have the knowledge. Use it. Enjoy it. Wonder how you ever lived without it. Secret number 6. The steering wheel mounted microphone. That improves call quality. You probably make phone calls from your car. If you have Bluetooth connectivity, your phone connects, calls go through the speakers, and you talk. But have you noticed that sometimes the person on the other end complains they can't hear you clearly? There's wind noise, road noise, or your voice just sounds distant. You've been using the wrong microphone this entire time. Your Hyundai doesn't have just one microphone for hands-free calling. It has multiple. There's typically a primary microphone located in the overhead console near the rearview mirror. But there's also a dedicated microphone built right into the steering wheel, positioned specifically to capture the driver's voice with crystal clarity while filtering out ambient noise. The problem is, most vehicles default to using the overhead microphone, which is better for multi-person calls but worse for solo driver conversations. You need to switch the active microphone to the steering wheel position. During an active call, look at your infotainment screen where the call controls appear. There should be an audio settings option. Tap into that menu, and you'll find microphone selection options. Choose the steering wheel or driver position microphone. Some models let you set this as a permanent default through the Bluetooth audio settings. Navigate to your Bluetooth settings, find connected devices, select your phone, and look for audio or microphone preferences. Set the steering wheel microphone as default, and every future call will use it automatically. The difference in call quality is dramatic. The person on the other end will immediately notice. Your voice becomes clearer, more present, and professional sounding. Background noise drops away. You could be driving 70 miles per hour on the highway, and they'll think you're sitting in a quiet office. This is especially valuable for people who take business calls from their vehicle. The reality that changes everything. Your Hyundai is far more sophisticated than anyone told you. Engineers built in these features to enhance your safety, convenience, and ownership experience. But in the rush to get you driving, they get overlooked completely. The owner's manual sits unread, and the Quick Start Guide barely scratches the surface. You've just learned 6 secrets that 99% of Hyundai owners will never discover. Valet mode that protects your privacy, the emergency trunk release that could save a life, remote start duration extension for perfect climate control, the hidden maintenance menu that gives you dealer-level information, the window convenience feature that makes daily life easier, and the steering wheel microphone that transforms your call quality. These features exist in your vehicle right now. They're not coming in a future update. They're not exclusive to higher trims. They're there, waiting for you. The only thing standing between you and these capabilities is knowledge. And now you have it. You're officially part of the 1%. Take action today. Go through each secret in your own Hyundai. Test them and verify they work on your specific model. Some features might have slightly different activation methods depending on your year and trim, but the core functionality is there. Share this knowledge with family and friends who own Hyundais. Leave a comment sharing which feature surprised you most. The automotive world is full of secrets. Manufacturers build in capabilities that never make it into marketing materials. Engineers add features that salespeople don't demonstrate. Drivers miss out on functionality they paid for simply because nobody explained it existed. That ends today. You now know what 99% don't. Use it wisely and enjoy the complete ownership experience you deserve.